So Bitcoin in the whole crypto market is currently crashing, and we've already seen the first bit of the cycle play out. So traditionally, we've seen money flow into Bitcoin and then it flows into altcoins with all that volume. But this time around, all that volume went into the meme coins and that completely drained the whole crypto market. And since everything has been crashing, it's left people in positions that they don't want to be in, buying at all-time highs, and essentially they've just been stranded buying the top of the cycle yet again. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be going over how I'm positioning myself for one of the biggest wealth transfers in modern history. Everybody talks about how crypto was one of the best opportunities to make money in 2025, but they've been completely blindsided or sidelined from all the scams and everything to do with meme coins this year. See, historically in a crypto market cycle, we always see tremendous amounts of volume with Bitcoin reaching all-time highs, and then that money starts to flow and trickle down into the altcoins with those insane gains. But this time around, there's not enough liquidity for the rest of the market to thrive because it's all just gone into the scams of meme coins and things that are useless and have no intrinsic value. All right, so let's start out with Bitcoin and a top-down analysis and where I think I can see price targets for this coming year. So just a few months ago, Bitcoin was at 125K per coin. And in the recent weeks, we've seen that crash all the way down to 85K. And so I posted a video the other day saying that this is one of the best times that you could be buying or dollar cost averaging to get the best position possible. So if you still don't know if you should be buying or looking into altcoins, the best thing you can do is look at Bitcoin as an indicator of the whole crypto market. Now that we've had this tremendous sell-off in the market, I can definitely see the price stabilizing around this level and this key area. Just because of all the institutional investors in the market, they won't let the price go down lower. All right, so for the altcoin side of things, we need to wait until the market actually does have a full recovery in order for all that volume to return into Bitcoin and then trickle down into the altcoins. But right now is the best time to position yourself and scoop up those low prices so you can get the best entries possible. Because there can always be lower prices to buy at, but right now is a good starting point to dollar cost average and prepare yourself for when the volume actually does return. And it's not some shady market cycle like we've had in the past year with meme coins and all the scams that have been going on. See, on the other hand, if you've positioned yourself poorly and have bought the top of the cycle due to FOMO and thinking that the bull market is just gonna keep on continuing, prices going higher and higher, the worst thing you can do right now is panic sell. You always hear stories about people selling and then the price quickly rallies up and then they buy back, and it's just a continuous cycle that leads to losing money and money over and over again. So if I'm in your shoes, personally, I would just hold for now and maybe think about adding some more capital to be buying at these levels to lower your average. And if you're new to crypto and you're thinking about, is this the best time to get in? Should I be buying now? The best thing you can actually do is educate yourself, learn how to use all these platforms, set everything up, and maybe test a bit with some capital so you're ready for when the market actually starts to pick up again later on in this year or in the next coming year. That's all for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto related content.